Hello everyone, and welcome to Delft Stack. Today, we have a very useful video. If your Microsoft Teams app is throwing error code 0xc0000020 and saying the program is not designed to run on Windows, I will show you exactly how to repair the app's core files and fix it right now. Let's get started. First, click your Windows search bar, type Apps and Features, and open the System Settings menu. Click into the App search box and type Teams to quickly find it. Click the three dots next to Microsoft Teams, select Advanced Options, and scroll down to click the Repair button. Windows will quickly attempt to fix the application without affecting your data. Once it finishes, restart your computer and see if the error is gone. Next, if the repair didn't work and you are still getting the error, we need to completely wipe the corrupted app data. Go right back to that same Advanced Options menu for Microsoft Teams, but this time click the Reset button directly below Repair. Keep in mind this will sign you out and clear your local app preferences. Click Reset again to confirm. Wait for the checkmark and restart your computer to perfectly resolve the issue. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.